AI never sleeps, and today it's rewriting photography. You didn't miss the focus, your camera didn't fail, you just didn't have this AI yet. What if every photo you've ever taken could be refocused later? Foreground, background, anywhere you want, all from a single image. This is called generative refocusing. For over a century, photography has worked the same way. You press the shutter and the depth of field is locked forever. If the focus is wrong, the moment is gone. Phones try to fix this with fake blur. Professional cameras solve it with expensive lenses, but all of them make the same decision at the same time. Focus is decided at capture. Generative refocusing breaks that rule completely. Instead of treating blur as a mistake, this system treats it as information. It looks at a single photo and asks a radical question. What if we could reconstruct how the scene should look in perfect focus and then reapply blur wherever we want? That's exactly what it does. The process happens in two stages. First, the model removes blur, not by sharpening pixels, but by reconstructing an all-in-focus version of the image. Details that were softened by depth of field are recovered into a clean, sharp baseline. Then comes the magic. The system estimates depth across the entire image, near objects, far objects, everything in between. Using that depth understanding, it re-simulates real optical blur, the kind produced by physical camera lenses, not software tricks. You're not blurring an image, you're rebuilding optics. Now imagine interacting with that photo. You click on a person's face. Instantly, the focus snaps there. The background melts away naturally. Click on the background instead, now the subject softens and the environment comes alive. The system even visualizes a defocus map, showing how blur spreads through the scene like a physical lens would produce. This isn't a filter, it's a refocus. What makes this truly impressive is what it doesn't need. No dual cameras, no depth sensors, no LiDAR, no second image, just one photograph. That means old photos suddenly become editable. Cheap cameras gain professional-level depth control, and the creative process shifts from get it right now to decide later. Of course, this isn't perfect. If the original image is extremely blurry or lacks detail, the AI can hallucinate, inventing textures that weren't really there. This is still a model. It predicts intelligently. It doesn't remember reality. But the direction is unmistakable. Photography is no longer about freezing a single decision in time. It's becoming flexible, generative, and interactive. The shutter click isn't the end anymore. It's just a beginning. One image, infinite ways to refocus. AI never sleeps, and cameras will never be the same again.